We sometimes invite other people for the retrospectives. We have had managers from time to time, and it's on a case-by-case basis if they're allowed to talk or not. We also have other Scrum Masters giving me feedback, and that's important to state that the Scrum Masters or the spectators are not there to look at the team. They're there to, for instance, evaluate me and give me feedback and provide me with some feedback. Or if we have something with the manager being at the retrospective, it's important to state that why is the manager there. It's not to single out who is making a bad at their job, but it's to maybe look at this bigger thing we have discussed in the past that we could not solve ourselves in the team. So I think stage setting and alignment is extremely important if we have someone at the retrospective with a power imbalance to the team.
I would say in principle, we don't recommend any non-team members to be part of the retrospectives. However, in specific cases, depending on the context, if the team members want any external team members to be present for whatever reasons, assume they have supported the team in specific area, then I would allow them to join, provided they're aware of the retrospective intent and how they are expected to contribute. Again, only if the team feels safe and comfortable.
Well, back to context. Context is king. If the team is talking about their internal technical practices, their internal collaboration, then it makes sense for the team to be there. And I primarily think of retrospectives as being for the team, of the team, and for the team. But there are cases where if you want to discuss your relationship with another team, doing it without the other team there isn't usually very helpful. Or if you want to discuss how you're working with the product owner, doing it without the product owner there, it probably isn't helpful. Or if you're talking about something that is outside of your control, but you know who might be able to influence, and it's your manager, then maybe you bring your manager in. But I think it's on a case-by-case basis, and my default is leave it for the team. I think particularly early on, it can be a bit of a trap to invite a manager because people might defer to the manager, or I have seen managers kind of, tell the team what to do and disempower the team in that way.